Chauhan, your social science teacher. Now I am going to explain chapter 1 of economics for class 9, and the chapter's name is The Story of Village Palampur. The aim of the story is to suggest some basic concepts relating to production, and this we do through a story of an imaginary village known as Palampur. The main occupation of Palampur is farming, although different occupations like small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. are carried out on a limited scale. The manufacturing enterprises requires different types of resources such as natural resources, man-made items, human effort, money, etc. As we look through the story of Palampur, we will know how different resources combine together to produce the desired goods and services in the village. Palampur is interconnected with adjoining villages and towns. A big village named Raiganj is about 3 kilometers from Palampur. This road connects Raiganj and Palampur in each climate, and it also connects to a nearest smallest town known as Shahpur. Transportation in Palampur is of different types. They are like bullock carts, tongas, buggies. Buggies are the wooden carts which are drawn by buffaloes, which are loaded with jaggery or gold. Some other types of transport, such as motor vehicles like motorcycles, jeeps, and trucks, can also be seen in Palampur. In Palampur, about 450 families resides, which belongs to respective different castes. In Palampur, there are 80 families which belongs to the upper caste, and they own maximum land in the village. The houses of upper caste families are quite big and made up of bricks and having cement plastering. The SCs or Dalits forms one third of the population, and they are living in one corner of Palampur in little houses and which are made up of mud and straw. In Palampur, generally all the houses possess electric connections. In the fields, tubewells run with the help of electric power, and it is also used in different types of small business. In Palampur, there are 2 primary schools and 1 high school. The sick persons are treated in 1 private dispensary and a primary health center, which is run by the government. From the above description, we reach to a conclusion that Palampur has well sufficient developed system of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools, and health center. In this chapter, we are studying about Palampur, which is an imaginary village, and it will help us to know about the various types of production or manufacturing business in the village. Farming is the main production activity in villages across India. The other producing benefits referred to as non-farming activities, including small producing units, transport, shopkeeping, etc. Organization of production. The aim for manufacturing is to yield the goods and services that we want. There are 4 necessities for production or manufacturing of goods and services. The first need or necessity is land and other natural resources like water, forests, and minerals. The second need or necessity is labor, that is workers who do work with their hands. The third need or necessity is physical capital, that is man-made goods that assist in the process of creating a product or a service. What are the objects or materials that come under the physical capital? Tools, machines, and buildings. The range of tools and machines is from very simple tools like farmers' plow to advanced machines such as generators, turbines, computers, etc. Tool machines, buildings are used in production or construction for many years and are known as fixed capital. Raw material and money in hand. Production needs different raw materials like yarn by weaver and the clay used by the potter, as well as some fund forever needed in manufacturing or production to make payments and buy other necessities. Raw materials in money and money in hand are called working capital. Unlike tools, machines, and buildings, these are used up in production or manufacturing. There is a fourth need or necessity too. We need expertise and resource to put together land, labor, and physical capital and produce a final product, either self-consumption or to sell in the market. Every construction is arranged by connecting land, labor, physical capital, and human capital, which are known as factors of construction or production. Farming in Palampur, land is fixed. The main production activity in Palampur is farming. In Palampur, about 75% of the people are dependent on farming for their livelihood or their living. They may be farmers or farm laborers. The welfare or prosperity of these people is closely related to production on the farms. As we know that there is a basic restriction in increasing farm production, land area for farming is practically fixed. There has been no expansion in land area under farming since 1960. In the village Palampur, some of the wastelands had been converted to cultivable land. There remains no extra scope to increase farm production by bringing new land under farming. The standard unit of measuring land is hectare, but in villages we may find people talking in local units like biga etc.